This is Jen at Jen's Arty Inclinations, a place to create, share and play. Hi there. Alright, today I have a paper bag and I thought I'm going to make a pocket out of this with a little secret flap. So your paper bag is often like this. I'm going to fold that down and it'll have a little secret flap under it. So first thing I'm going to do is a fair bit of inking, just define the edges, give it a bit more age. The crinkleness of this will help as well. Ink, ink, ink. Ink, 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 ink. Ink, ink, ink. And I'll do the back of that fold. You know, when things age, that's what happens, isn't it? Those folds pick up all of the dirt and scraps and things like that. So I'll just finish off that edge. I'm just going to kind of go over it a little bit as well. Okay, make sure I do that fold because I like that. And then I'll fold back in here. And I'm going to go over all of that a bit. Simple. There we go. Okay, so that's that bit done. Now, if I fold that down, get a really nice fold. Then it will be a really, really easy flap. So I've already decided, I think, pretty much what I'm going to put on this. Thinking of family because it's holidays. So always thinking of family time in the holidays. Now that will become the pocket bit, obviously. What I've done here is I had a stamp and I just put the stamp down on a piece of graph paper. I'll see if I can get that closer for you. Okay, can you see the graph paper? And it's got a train on it. And trains in this house always make me think of family, because not only is my 13-year-old big train lover, but also my granddad loved trains. And not only did he love trains, but he built trains and he was a really good boiler maker. He was actually a fitter and turner by trade. He did some big projects around Sydney, like the wheel on the, I want to say the Iron Cove Bridge, but the one that's sort of out Gladesville Ride way. Yeah, so lots of those things with some of the men who did that. And he was one of the lead people. So yeah, trains are always a big thing in our family. Okay, then I also have, where did I put it there? I thought, because I didn't really want the holly in. I feel like, you know, Christmas is done. I'll just dirty up that bit. I quite like sometimes just getting a little bit of a picture. This is a printable that I've got. And I've torn that out at some point and inked around it. And I thought that would be kind of cool in the corner. And then I want to put just the word adore and family at the bottom. But with family, what I want to do is, with family, I just want to colour that up. So it's one of those die cut words that I've done on my printing machine. And so I just want to, now, do I want to just do it blotchy or do I want to spread that out a bit? I don't know. Having a look at that. Might be kind of a bit cool like that. Maybe smudge some of it. We'll see. I'm new to using these ink pads and gee, they're just amazing. These Tom Holtz ink pads. I don't know what the equivalent would be in Australia. We don't seem to actually get these stocked as much in Australia. They're harder to just find on the shelves, which is a bit of a shame. They are in Canberra, maybe in Sydney and bigger centres like that, they're a bit easier to find. I don't know. There we go. And I'm going to remember to wipe my hands before I touch anything. Because what happens is then I get more accidental errors than what I intended. Okay, I think that's going to work on that page. And I might just add, you know, a bit of ribbon across the bottom. Before I stick it down, I'll just do a few stamps on the back of it. So pop you there, maybe another one there. What else can I put in here? You And how about a leaf? Another little flower bit popping out there. How about a third one? Because you know, things should be in three, shouldn't they? What other stamps? That stamp. So I really just want it to feel like it's a bit of a background, and I feel like that's probably enough to make this work. Now I feel like I need to add a different color into that so that it stands out a little bit more. So let me get my gray, because what I've done is I haven't let this contrast against the existing stamp that I had, so I need to put in some more contrast on this, and hopefully this will save it, because I think this is the only bag I've got like this at the moment. And oh, this is one that I cut myself, so I carved this. It's just a little umbrella with some rain. I don't know, I'm a bit of a rain fan. I always used to love going and jumping in puddles with the boys when they were little. So I think that's a nice stamp to include on the family one. And there we go. That hopefully will get a bit more, yeah, so that that stands out a little bit more again. Yes, all right. I think I've managed to get away with that. We'll see. If not, I can always come back later and do something else to it. So I've got you. I've got you. Might actually put you partly over there. Yes, that's how I want you. Adore family. What else can I do? What about if I pop you? Nope, don't like you. Something else. I know. What about just a little bit of paper? There we go. Another bit of paper. Yeah, I think that'll work. Do I want a small? Yes, I think I want just a small and tall bit up there. Maybe there. Okay, let's see. Do I think that works? Do you know what? I'm just going to start sticking down. I definitely want this on the back, so I shall stick him there. I believe a glue stick is going to be good for most of this, but obviously I've got a bit of material there, so I better get out my fabric glue as well. Do I want? Yes, that's what I want. I want you at an angle. Definitely, definitely. Where was my little splodger wodger? That's all right, we'll use another one maybe. There we go. I'm just doing a bit of definition on this. I want it to look grungy. I'm going to put you there. Lovely. It's gluing you up. There you go, over that lovely stamping that I did. I really liked that corner, but I'm really happy with this too. I'm happier with how that bit sits in the corner, I guess is what I'm trying to say. There you go, stick down. You stick down too. Go on. Just do as you're told. You're only paper. If I can't control paper, I can't control anything. I think it's fair to say I can't control anything. Okay, does family just sit there now? Yeah, I think it does. Don't know why. Sometimes I find it better if I've planned beforehand, which is what you should do, because then you can work out, you know, things that go in front of and behind. But other times it just doesn't work for me, and I need to actually see it stuck down. And then I realise, oh, I should have done it this way, I should have done it that way. But it's still, yeah, works out pretty well. Okey dokey. There we go. I should have brushed some PVA glue onto that instead, but I think I can make that work, you know. Yeah, that works for me. So I'll grab my fabric glue. I did grab some new stuff, so if I need that I'll go and get it in a minute, but hopefully this one will be okay. Okay, get it round the edges. Come on, glue, flow. That's it. Okay, down you go. Then that should hold you on the fabric. And then I'll just put a little bit on the back of the fabric and you should hold to the paper. Doesn't have to be out to the edge of the fabric on this. It's kind of nice if there's a bit of a free flappy bit, which is good. Alrighty, so you can go there. Yeah, that works. Oh, I did want you to sit under. Let's see. I can probably still put you under. We're about to find out. Didn't edge you. That's okay. I reckon you'll still look good. Oh, how's that? It worked. It worked. All right, last little word. Yikes. I do not know if this is going to work. Do I? No, I'm going to go for it. They're big enough letters. Surely I can make this work. Ah! No. All right. Let's see if I've totally mucked this up. I believe it survived, which is good. There we go. Oops, big long bit of gloppy glue because I didn't wind down my lid again, but that's kind of good. So if I just kind of borrow you and spread you out across this a bit, then actually that's going to be kind of good. Okie dokie, that's good. Now what else do I want in there? Why not? Quickly edgy, don't need to be terribly fancy schmancy, and then you can just get a quick bit of glue and you can go that way. There we go. That's the front. And now I kind of worked out already what I wanted underneath, and that is this. So I'm going to stick the glue, what do you call that bit? Fabric. I'm going to stick the fabric down first. Gloopy, 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 glue. So this is a nice quick little thing, and I think I should do this more, that when I get those lovely little paper bags and things, just dress them up, and then I've got a stash for when I want them for journals, and even just your regular notebooks, not your ones that you've gone all fancy schmancy with and made yourself, even though everyone should make their own notebooks. They're amazing. They feel so good to use. Yeah, even those ones that you haven't done that, things like this, it can be a pocket in the back. Okay, now I'll just put some glue stick and then some fabric glue as well, just to make sure that it sticks to the fabric. And I wanted that in the fold, and I wanted that bit behind it, and I forgot about it. Okay, so I'll quickly glue your edges. Go away, glue strings. Oh, they're so frustrating, aren't they? Those glue strings. Do they frustrate everybody else as well? Tell me about what you do to avoid them. Is it temperature that makes them happen more frequently? What is it? Is it just the user? I think it's probably just the user. That would make sense to me. Okay, a little bit of glue on this cutout sunflower. As you can see, that's from a magazine. It was a little bit of adornment on an advertisement, and I went, oh, I can use that. There we go. And last but not least, memories. That's why you don't do this, and that's why you brush glue on. Or you use those awesome sticker things that I see people using. But that's okay. That's okay. We can still make it work. Ah, yes, because it was a loop in the O. I getcha. But there you go. That is a little pocket, a little long pocket ready to go into a lovely tall book. If it was too tall, you could even fold up and add some more embellishment there. You could have it like that so that you could have little extra flaps. But that's it, all finished. It's more about this little flap on the bottom, just a little bit of an idea of something else to do with your little paper bags, which I'm sure other people have thought of. It's just another little idea for paper bags. Okay, I just found these little lace butterflies that I thought would be really, really cute just on here. So one there. I thought the other one there. I might put the glue spots on you before I put you down. And the other one there. There, voila. Now I feel it's finished. That just sits on a page. You've got your little pocket, you've got your little secret bit, and if you wanted to, you could even add another little secret bit in there when you put it on your page.
Like, subscribe and comment below, and keep creating. See you next time. Bye.